Hello, I'm Ayako Sekiguchi from Wellness Kitchen. This time we have here a fruit that represents autumn. It's actually a persimmon. I saw a mummy of a promotion at the National Museum of Science a few years ago. That's right. There's a story that he consumed a large amount of seeds just before his death, and that preserved his body very well. The polyphenols contained in these seeds are very effective. What I mean is, from there, we'll explore various things. The seeds themselves contain wonderful nutrients, and by heating them, the nutritional value increases dramatically. That's why this time I want to share the surprising effects and functions of heated seeds. Please stay tuned until the end. We begin with meals at the Wellness Kitchen, centered around the theme of anchoring. We will continue to deliver information that will make your mind and body healthy. Please subscribe to our channel. First, let's talk about nutrition. This characteristic orange color is due to substances called beta-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin, which are carotenoids. It also contains a group of vitamins and vitamin C. This vitamin C, although not typically associated with carrots, is present in amounts that are twice as much as that in oranges. And it has a unique flavor. Tannin, this is a polyphenol, but it also contains 20 times as much as wine. It contains food glue and gabardine, among other things. We talked about promoters earlier, but there are a lot of polyphenols included in this. These are collectively referred to as polyphenols. This contains a lot of tannins, which are also found in grapes, cocoa, and lingonberries. These polyphenols are components that are included to protect the species, so to speak, so there are definitely a lot of them in the seeds. It inhibits oxidation, lowers blood pressure, suppresses the rise in blood sugar levels, and inhibits perspiration. It is very effective as a physiological active substance for the prevention of heart disease. You would think that this alone is amazing, but when you heat it, it contains something. It seems that the amount of gamma-aminobutyric acid and citrulline increases 3 to 5 times when heated. This gamma-aminobutyric acid has a calming effect on the nerves and has a relaxation effect, so it is useful for stress care. It is also known to lower blood pressure. And citrulline is known as a super amino acid, which has the effect of dilating blood vessels, improving blood flow, preventing coldness, and helping with fatigue recovery. For more details about citrulline, please watch this video. Although it is already rich in nutrients, by roasting it, you can further increase the nutrients, and you can expect 3 effects from roasting. The first is cancer prevention. The orange component, carotenoid and vitamin C, as well as polyphenols, are all included in abundance. These boost immunity and help prevent cancer. They also help prevent colds and corona. The second is that the increase in gamma-aminobutyric acid has a relaxation effect and is useful for stress care. The third is that the increase in citrulline improves blood flow and helps prevent coldness and recover from fatigue. I hope you will try heating it. The way to make grilled is really simple. Just cut the normal part of this pumpkin, drop it, and put a cut in the middle so that you can easily eat it with a spoon later. Cut it appropriately, put in the eyes, and then just grill it on a normal grill or toaster. The simplest method is to bake it in a toaster. There is also a method where you peel the skin and cut it into bite-sized pieces and grill it. This makes it easy to eat. You can also grill it with various seasonings or grill it and stock it up. It's convenient to do so. You know, this grilling, it's convenient to use it for something like hot smoky dishes. It's a recommended method indeed. It is said that eating it raw can cool the body because it contains a lot of scallium, but on the contrary, grilling it can warm the body. It's really interesting. If you do so, cut this part into large pieces like this. I'll grill it like this. I'm going to grill it this time with a fish grill, but I think it's quite possible with a toaster. Furthermore, right? I will also introduce a simple arrangement, and I would like to grill the mushrooms all at once on the grill. I will grill it with this. It's grilled about 9 minutes in a state where it's grilled to a nice degree. This is the first part of grilling. It's already soft and tender. It's like a different thing. It has a sweet and nice aroma. This alone is good, but also this beta-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin, it's a versatile nutrient. So if you add a little bit of butter or something to your liking, it will be delicious. It also improves the absorption of nutrients, even with olive oil. It's quite good. Please add your favorite ingredients, and even if you add a little cinnamon to your liking, it will still be delicious. It's not that sour or sweet, so if you add a little bit of this kind of fragrance, it will become even more delicious. Cinnamon is a spice that also helps improve blood circulation. It's like killing two birds with one stone, isn't it? I want to serve it with mushrooms and grilled meat. Both are fragrant when cooked, and the meat becomes tender and delicious. You know what I mean? It may sound like a dessert, but it can also be served with grilled vegetables. It can be a side dish, so I recommend it. You can serve it with these. Sprinkle a little salt, and when you sprinkle salt, the sweetness increases and it becomes delicious with the effect of salt. The salt works and it becomes even more delicious. For this one, I think you might want to drizzle a little olive oil. If you add a little something, the flavor will be enhanced and it will be delicious. The two types of grilled squid are ready. I think you would like to try the grilled squid. It really feels like it can be scooped with a spoon. It's so soft and fluffy, it's incredible. The butter and cinnamon flavor combination is fantastic. Sorry for eating it right after buying it, thanks. It's really delicious. This is not a lie, it's not a lie. It's a sweet, that's not a lie. But this is not a baked apple, it's something else. It's cool, juicy, and fluffy. It's wonderful with sweetness. It's really delicious. It's also good for your health. If this alone can be delicious, you absolutely have to try it. Honestly, I love such food so much. But this is not the case. It's really delicious. I think it would go well with any kind of meat accompaniment. Try this rich, flavorful dish made with olives and olive oil. I think you'll enjoy it. I would like you to try it with grilled mushrooms. This is cut and grilled. It's a bit different from grilling it whole. The surface is a bit dry and crispy, and it's juicy inside. So the texture is completely different. The combination of this firmness and olive oil is really good, and the fragrant aroma of these mushrooms is a great accent. Both of these are really delicious. I would like you to try both. This time, I introduced the surprising effects and functions of grilled and fermented foods. Even so, it really becomes something different, and in terms of a new deliciousness and way of eating, it also helps to improve health. Thank you for watching until the end. Let's meet again in another video.